What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. Guys, I am happy to report Bitcoin is all the way up at $25,700. These are extremely bullish times, guys. I was talking about in my last video, Bitcoin hitting 25,000 before the end of the year. Check that out right here, guys. So I think something will happen like this maybe. We get a little bit of bounce, maybe a little chop down back down here, and then maybe hopefully another leg up targeting $25,000. So guys, as you can see, we're just on an extremely bullish movement right now. We just have so much potential to just keep moving up and up. Guys, there is so much price action going on right now. Even Electroneum's having a pump up. Many coins are having a lot of movements right now, and I wanted to talk about as many as I can. Guys, be sure to subscribe and like. We're just gonna dive right into the price action. Here we go. So guys, as you can see right here, we've just been putting up, I had that bull flag painted earlier in the month, and we've just been really respecting it. Lots of bullish behavior. It was really nice to see it pump like that, but guys, I painted another bull flag here. We broke right above the ascending wedge here. We're above the top resistance right now, guys. And I've been talking about, as we break above these barriers over and over again, we're just setting new highs. It's going to continue to move up. The Bitcoin price, I think, is just going to be really impressing everyone over the next few years. Thinking $100,000 would be, you know, a little hopeful, but in reality, guys, I think nowadays $100,000 Bitcoin is going to be a modest price target, guys. I think we could easily hit 200, you know, in the next year, and, you know, really just blow everyone away. They're talking numbers from 100, 200, 300, 400. I mean, this is going crazy, guys. I really think Bitcoin price is going to just explode and just show everyone just how strong of an asset class it really is over the next few years. And just like I've been saying, institutions are getting involved right now, and I have some information on that for you guys, just so you can see just how many people are getting involved in this crypto space right now, guys. And it really just is the future. I say it all the time. You want to be involved in cryptocurrency. It is the future. It's gonna yield you so much profit. Okay. So what do I think is going to happen now in the Bitcoin price? Okay, we could get a little pullback right here, but guys, it could just be painting another bull flag. I don't see anything yet, obviously, so I don't know what's going to happen. But for instance, say like it does kind of trickle down like this, you know, that's another bull flag, and we're just going to get another leg up. So right now we just had the pump. Something has to happen for it to actually read what's going to happen next. But if we zoom in real close here, okay, and get on the, let's say, a 15-minute chart, just so we can see a little bit more what's going on. You know, it looks like a bull flag being painted already. Okay, there's the leg, there's the arm, and then before you know it, guys, another leg up. Okay, so that's what I think is going to happen in the Bitcoin price, guys. In a bull market, we yield bullish times. I say it over and over again, guys, but, you know, I believe in plan B. I believe in the model, you know, the S2F model. I believe in the higher times coming. So, you know, I think a lot of people are traumatized from the bear market and accumulation phases, and they're just not used to the bull market. And if you're new in cryptocurrency and say like you got in at the end or after the big rise in 2017, you're not used to this kind of movement. So in reality, guys, what every trader is trying to do right now is determine where that peak is. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do. That's what everybody's trying to do. And everyone, you know, can throw out numbers, just throw out numbers, you know, but, you know, let's see, you know, an over $50,000 Bitcoin by, you know, mid next year. That's what I would like to see. That would mean, you know, hey, we are just on trajectory for these higher times, continuing that rate. But as of now, guys, it looks like we are on that path up. Okay, so unless something changes, I think we're going to be hitting these higher numbers every single month. We're going to be pushing it. Yes, 10 to 20% pullbacks, that's all part of the plan. Again, unless we get a big flash crash, you know, dropping down, you know, way past this chart. We'd have to go to like the hourly to see this. You know, something like this, 30-some% drop, guys, that's a flash crash. Okay, so I don't think that's going to happen right now, especially in a bull market. Once we peak, we will see massive drops like this. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to be aware of. Now is the time to be accumulating. I was telling people to buy at 19. I bought at 19,000. Chasing the dragon. I've been chasing the dragon all year, meaning buying the dip every chance I can. Okay? And honestly, guys, you should be doing the same. In a bull market, yields bullish times. I wanted to go over Electroneum. We're still just kind of teetering around in that red box, guys. We did get a bounce off that green line. Like I was saying, I formed that green line, or I extended that green line last time I was in the videos. And we did pump up, and we're still bouncing around between this. This is going to happen for a few days, guys. Simple as that. There's not much to it. Bollinger Band's tightening up. EMA 20 is real tight with the EMA 55. The volume isn't very high. We've had, a couple big red candles, red wicks, but other than that, nothing major. And I think we're just going to kind of teeter around a little bit. But if we get a little bit more bullish sentiment, we could break out of the red box, and hopefully this is the trend reversal, It's very hard to tell exactly where it's going in the short term. Just to be honest with you guys, just based off the read right now, it's going to teeter around and then make a breakout probably right around here. Okay? So right around the 4th or the 5th, we're going to get a breakout. Now I'm going to keep you guys up to date so you'll know which way it's going to go. But if it's a trend reversal, it will be moving up like this. Okay? If it's not, we could get something like this and then further down, okay? So just be mindful of that, understand what's going on here. We're going to get a breakout. It's probably going to be around here. Which direction is still to be undetermined. I'll figure it out over the next day or two, but if it's a trend reversal, it will be moving up. If it's not, we will continue down the same path and form another descending wedge right here. Okay, so I'm going to draw it just so you guys can see it. Make it purple. Oop, wrong purple. There we go. That could be a little wider. Yeah, like that. So if we are to break down, that's what it would look like. Okay, but this is so if you guys want to draw this right now, you'll know. So like say if we break out of it to the right here, we're gonna break up. Okay, that's what I think is going on with Electroneum, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. I know a lot of you guys have gotten in, say, at ICO price, 20-some cents. Be patient. Okay, just hold on. Guys, if you knew what was going on in the project, you wouldn't have bought them because, it would have been an opportune time to be mining and not buying coin. When they start giving away things, price will go down. Okay, but they've stopped giving away things, hence the price will start to go up now. So again, times to buy Electroneum is now. Okay, even though, look at like the 4 hour here. Look at all this. But in reality, guys, when this thing goes like this someday, when it does the bull theory and actually pumps up again, much past this target here, these times are going to be obvious good buys. Okay, and you're going to look at these prices and be like, damn, I was being picky. Okay, so that's what I think is going on with Electroneum, guys. And keep that in mind moving forward, guys. This coin has a lot of potential. It's only been around a few years. Wanted to talk about Ethereum. Okay, that is having a good pump right now. It looks like we're forming another ascending wedge. I'm going to draw that for you guys right here. Okay, so like that. Make that green. Okay, and then this one's pretty tight. So I'm actually going to give it a little bit of a berth because I'm sure we're going to get something down to there and then a pump up, for instance, right there, but then it broke down. So say like it actually does a breakdown. If it breaks down out of the wedge, we will get another big sell-off like you've seen here and here. But it could continue up the wedge before a break-off, and that would show that, hey, this is continuously moving up. So what I think is going to happen is, it pump up like that, then get the breakdown, then continue this path up, okay? Ethereum's also extremely popular. I was talking about in many videos, Ethereum being $800 maybe even by the end of the year. And at 641, guys, it's been up almost to $700, within the last several weeks. So, within the last week, actually. So, I think there's still a lot of potential here, guys. And I think, its previous all-time highs at over $1,000 is going to be daunted. We're going to be looking at a $10,000 Ethereum within the next 5 years, easily. There's a YouTube video I watched. Should you buy 1 Bitcoin right now or 33 Ethereum? I'll be honest, guys. I bought both. I see the potential with both. I'm in it for the long term. I'm not going to be selling out at little gains. I'm going to be making massive gains because I believe in the greater picture. Okay. And guys, I want to talk about Link. There's a lot of stuff going on with Link right now. Everyone's asking me, what should I do? What do I do? Should I be buying right now? Is this going to pump up? Guys, you know my stance on Link, okay? I'm talking $20, $40, next year. These are just, the calm before the storm. As more and more people get involved in cryptocurrency, they're going to see things like Chainlink, and they're going to see it as a very profitable buy, okay? So for instance, say like you did get in right here, just hold on. If you got in here, you're sitting in a good place already, okay? If you got in anywhere over here, okay, anywhere over here, you're also in a good place. So basically, as long as you just didn't buy the top, you're in good shape. And you're going to be back up on this trajectory towards $13, I think. Maybe even before the end of the year, guys. I'd be very surprised if this was a trend reversal right here, and we would start to head down that way. I don't think that's going to happen, okay? I think we're trying to bounce. It's trying to bounce, but there is resistance here. There is stuff, that keeps it from moving up. Guys, things have to line up perfectly for it to actually keep moving up. Otherwise, the price does go down. That's what's very interesting about cryptocurrency. It's not just, a business. People can read up on it. There's many attributing factors to cryptocurrency businesses and things that are going on involving them. There's just so much to factor in. So, but in general, guys, I think, it'll look something like this. If we're on a bullish trajectory here, it'll look something like this, and then we'll get back up. Almost just like that. It'll almost look just like that, I think. Okay? So be patient. Don't get weeded out right here. And if we end up down here, you just freaking hodl. Okay? Chainlink is awesome. It's a great project. This isn't going to happen. Okay? That's not going to happen. It's just not. Okay? But, I'm just, being realistic here, guys. I would like to see it do a pump up. It looks like it's going to do something like that and get back above here. So, again, guys, I've been buying Chainlink all year. I'm very confident on it. I bought it all last year, and I'm sitting in a great spot. I'm going to be sitting in a great spot next year. Simple as that. I want to talk about Bitcoin nearing $26,000. Will it break 40K in the next impulse wave? That's what one trader is saying. And this was done by Joseph Young. So he says, BTC 25,000 now above stock to flow model price. So before the upsurge, many traders were shorting Bitcoin across most major futures exchanges. This eventually led to a short squeeze as the short sellers were selling so close to the previous all-time high. As soon as the record high broke, BTC began to surge rapidly as Bitcoin price entered price discovery. According to data from Bybit.com, more than 131 million worth of Bitcoin futures contracts were liquidated in the last 24 hours. As long as the derivatives market continues to see an increase in sellers, the probability of more short squeezes in the near future remains high. Guys, it is very dangerous to short right now, in general. Okay, in a bull market, it's going to be higher and higher and higher. You need to be looking for those dips, looking for those longs. Okay, it's that simple. That's what I'm teaching my students. That's what I'm doing. That's what you need to be doing. Okay, it is very dangerous to short right now. What's more, the current rally means BTC is now above the mean line of the popular stock to flow model, which is so exciting, which forecasts a $100,000 target by December 2021. And here that is right here, guys. We're going to look at it on Twitter real quick. So look at that right here, guys. We are above the stock to flow model. Check that out. Bam. This is just, it's so exciting just to see everything lining up, working, working perfectly, guys. This is just so exciting. We are going to be at $100,000 next year. Why wouldn't we be? Okay? There's just, things are lining up perfectly. So, furthermore, take notice of institutional demand. Okay, guys? Take notice of it. It is very important. When the big players get involved, that's when the price is going to shoot up. So Dan Held, he's been listing many reasons, why Bitcoin price is going to hit these higher prices. But one of them, and it's his 16th one, says here financial institutions are trading legends that have recognized Bitcoin is gold 2.0 over the last 4 months. So we've got Fidelity, JP Morgan, Bloomberg, Deutsche Bank, Citibank, Jefferies, BlackRock, Guggenheim, Alliance Bernstein, Bill Miller, MassMutual, and there's more, guys. There's more. These are all big institutions buying into Bitcoin. That's why the price will continue up. And as more institutions get involved, the price will continue to rise over the next year. Mark my words. We will see $100,000 Bitcoin. We will see it. Are you going to be involved? Ask yourself that question. Are you going to take the red pill and dive down the path of Bitcoin and change your life, guys? That question is for you alone. And guys, that's all that time I had for today. I really wanted to push, guys, you should be buying Bitcoin. Buy yourself a couple $100s of Bitcoin if you don't have a lot of money. I have so many friends, I don't have any money, I can't get involved, I work a full-time job. If you don't have $200, I don't know what to tell you. You're in trouble, man. You're just in trouble. But seriously, like, put down put down $200 on Bitcoin. Watch that money turn into at least $1,000. Watch it happen. These are extremely biblical times, guys. Like, I can't stress it enough. Put your money down on the best asset class in history. Make some good money for yourself. If you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And guys, I'm happy to say I did give away that ledger. John Doe did reach out to me, guys, and I'm looking to do more giveaways in the future. I just got to keep the page moving along, and as soon as I get monetized, guys, trust me, every dime that I make from this YouTube channel will be put back into this YouTube channel. Whether it's expanding the channel or doing giveaways and giving away crypto, that is my plan. So guys, it was very exciting to do my first giveaway. It felt really good. Good times. I literally just mailed it out today. Everything's lining up, guys. These are just life-changing events, guys. I hope you're part of it. And that's all the time I have for today, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, be sure to do so. Smash that like button, and thank you so much for all your support, guys. I look forward to the new year. I hope you guys had a great Christmas. I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.